The HD Ready is a certification program introduced in 2005 by EICTA, now DIGITALEUrope. There are currently 4 different labels: HD Ready, HD TV, HD Ready 1080p, HD TV 1080p. The logos are awarded to television equipment capable of certain features. In the USA, a similar HD Ready term usually refers to any display that is capable of accepting and displaying a high-definition signal at either 720p, 1080 or 1080p using a component video or digital input, but does not have a built-in HD-capable tuner. History: the HD Ready certification program was introduced on January 19, 2005. The labels and relevant specifications are based on agreements between over 60 broadcasters and manufacturers of the European HD TV Forum at its second session in June 2004, held at the Betzdorf, Luxembourg headquarters of founding member SES Astra. The HD Ready logo is awarded to television equipment capable of displaying high-definition pictures from an external source. However, it does not have to feature a digital tuner to decode an HD signal. Devices with tuners were certified under a separate HD TV logo, which does not require HD Ready display device. Before the introduction of the HD Ready certification, many TV sources and displays were being promoted as capable of displaying high-definition pictures when they were in fact SD TV devices. According to Alexander Audendage, Senior VP of Marketing for Astra, in early 2005 there were 74 different devices being sold as ready for HD that were not. Devices advertised as HD compatible or HD ready could take HD TV signal as an input, but they did not have enough pixels for true representation of even the lower HD resolution, much less the higher HD resolution, and so were unable to display the HD picture without downscaling to a lower resolution. Industry-sponsored labels such as Full HD were misleading as well, as they can refer to devices which do not fulfill some essential requirements such as having 1:1 mapping with no overscan or accepting a 1080p signal. A UK BBC television programme found that separate labels for display devices and TV tuners decoders confused purchasers, many of whom bought HD Ready equipment expecting to be able to receive HD with no additional equipment. They were sometimes actively misled by sales faux pas. A 2007 Ofcom survey found that 12% were told explicitly that they could view analog SD TV transmissions in HD, 7% that no extra equipment was needed, and 14% that HD Ready sets would receive existing digital SD TV transmissions in HD. On August 30, 2007, 1080p versions of the logos and licensing agreements were introduced. As an improvement to the earlier scheme, HD TV 1080p logo now requires HD Ready 1080p certification. Requirements and logos: HD Ready and HD Ready 1080p logos are awarded to displays which have certain capabilities to process and display high-definition source video signal, outlined in a table below. The HD TV logo is awarded to either integrated digital television sets or standalone set-top boxes which are capable of receiving, decoding and outputting or displaying high-definition broadcasts. The HD TV 1080p logo is awarded to integrated digital television sets which have a display conforming to HD Ready 1080p requirements, a DVB tuner and a decoder capable of processing 1080p signal. In order to be eligible for the HD Ready 1080p, or HD Ready logo, a display device has to meet the following requirements: technical references, DVI, DDWG, Digital Visual Interface, Rev 1.0, April 2, 1999 as further qualified in EIA 861B, a DTV profile for uncompressed high-speed digital interfaces May 2002, furthermore allowing both DVI-D and DVI-I connectors, requiring compliance to both 50 and 60 Hz profiles, and requiring support for both 720p and 1080i video formats. HDMI licensing, LLC, High Definition Multimedia Interface, Rev 1.1, May 20, 2004, HDCP, Intel, High Bandwidth Digital Content Protection System, Rev 1.1, June 9, 2003. YPBPR, EIA 770.3, March 2000, with the notice that the connectors required may be available only through an adapter. References. External links, HD Ready official UK website, High Definition Television and Logos, EICTA, EICTA, Broadcast, License Agreement and HD Ready 1080p Requirements, HD Ready 1080p Press Release, Active article, Are you ready for HD TV? Full HD Ready, really? Not definitive. Pioneer Electronics, learn about high definition TV.